This is how you can produce a crop. Produce yourself some food without buying fertilizer. Hi, this is Seeds in 60 Seconds, where I share with you critical information for feeding yourself from your garden in about 60 seconds. So let's get started. The quick answer to one way you can provide food for your garden is the use of legumes. Legumes are plants that provide nitrogen by fixing nitrogen from the air and putting it in the soil through the use of bacteria, through little bumps in the roots where they house the bacteria. Now, there are many different types of legumes. So here's an example I thought I'd show you quickly. You can all raise all these. Starting over here, we have fava beans. The black one over here is black Russian, and this one here is Varoma. When you hear about Jack and the Beanstalk, that's this type of bean. These literally have a stalk like a sunflower or a corn. Now over here, we have these are cowpeas or southern peas, originally from Africa, and this is called Big Red Ripper or Mandy. This here are lima beans. These are big limas, these are smaller limas. Most limas break into two groups that way. This one here is called Christmas lima. This is called a Potawatomi lima. It's traditionally raised by the Potawatomi tribe. Now down here we have runner beans. Runner beans are unique because they are perennial. You plant them once, as long as the roots don't freeze, it'll come up year after year after year from the same seed, from the same root. Now this here is painted lady runner back in the 1700s. It's a white and red flower. These here are a land waste variety from the southeast United States. Very diversified in the genetics. Here's your traditional scarlet runner. This is black coat runners. And these here are benchmark runners. These who have 16-inch long beans. Over here, representation of pole beans. Here's 1,500-year-old cave beans. And here is Golden Gate Roma bean. These are both pole beans. Now you also have the common bean of bush forms. Here's Jacob Cattle's, Great Northerns from the Hidatsa tribe, and these are horticultural beans called tongue of fire. Now, and then over here, and last not least, is peas. This here is Green Beauty, and this one right over here, is known as Aplyssima Victoria Ukrainskaya. Now, these will give you 5 or 6 inch snow peas. This is what your snow pea seed looks like. These are more soup type peas, but they're actually uniquely bred because they can be used in every way you would use chickpeas. Now, chickpeas are also a legume, as is lentils. All those will store your nitrogen. Now, if you're in the tropics, or if you're in Florida or some other place really warm watching this, you may want to consider Moringa. Moringa is also a legume, and it also produces edible seed pods, or seeds in the leaves and stuff like that. Now, in addition to the seeds, chickpeas, your common garden pea, both produce edible leaves. So you have an additional green vegetable crop while you're waiting for your beans to harvest. So, thanks for watching. If you like this information, like and subscribe, please. It helps get the message out to other people. And it looks like I went over 60 seconds, so I'll say goodbye and see you in the next video. Happy gardening.